ओके। हाँ बेटा, गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल ऑफ यू. But yesterday I have completed your exercise 3.2. And now some formulas I told you. Now we are going to drive a formula which will give you a lot of formulas. Okay. Just see here. We are drawing a unit circle whose radius is 1, and we are making this is making angle x. The coordinate of this point will be cos x and sin x. This point is making angle 0. Suppose this angle point is A. The coordinate of this point will be cos 0 or sin 0. Suppose a angle y which makes this angle is y. To complete angle, the whole angle will be x plus y. The coordinate of this point, suppose this point B, this is point C. The coordinate of this point will be cos x plus y and sin x plus y. And suppose if we take point here, it is equal to y angle. No? But if direction is opposite, then we can say it is minus y. So coordinate of this point will be cos minus y or sin minus y. Now we have why we have taken, you just come to know after proving the formula. We have this x y, this is also x y, but direct opposite angle is which is x, this is angle. The is opposite, say this is plus, no? But magnitude it is also y direction is opposite of y angle. The magnitude of this angle or magnitude of this angle is same. It means the angle is same. So equal angle make equal chords make equal angle at the center. And this we have proved in 9th class. Okay. So we have both chords must be equal. यानी कि AC must be equal to BD. Equal chords make equal angle at the center. ठीक है, equal क्यों है? So the magnitude of this is one we have taken x, this is also magnitude of this angle is x plus y. So magnitude of this angle is x and this is y. This is also x plus y. Minus y we have taken because of the coordinate system. ठीक है, otherwise the magnitude is same. If magnitude same, the length of the chord will be same. So length, if we are going to measure the length, so minus length this is not give any problem. Okay, length, the distance will be same. So AC will be equal to BD. So we can use the distance formula which you have studied in 10th class. x1 minus x2 whole square यानी कि cos x plus y minus cos 0 whole square plus sin x plus y minus sin 0 whole square equal to BD. BD means in distance formula we take square root, so we can take the square of these distances. If AC is equal to BD, then AC will be equal to D square. Distance AC equal to must be are formed by the angle x plus y. So B, we can use this formula x1 minus x2 cos x, cos minus x, and cos minus theta equal to cos theta, then it becomes cos y, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, sin x plus sin y square. Because sin minus x is equal to minus sin theta. So we are using the distance formula cos 0 equal to 1 and sin 0 equal to 0. So it is equal to cos square x plus y plus 1 minus 2 cos x plus y plus sin square x plus y. Now we are using distance formula here also. Cos square x plus cos square y minus 2 cos x cos y plus sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. Okay, but nothing we have done. We have expanded the formula of x1 minus x2 by using the identity a minus b whole square, because there was only one term sin 0 is equal to 0. The square of this term will be sin square x plus y. A square plus b square minus k 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta. In place of theta, we have x plus y. So it will be equal to 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 minus 2 cos x plus y, it is equal to cos square x plus sin square x 1, sin square y plus cos square y, it is also 1. It is 1 plus 1, 2. Minus k 2 cos x cos y plus 2 sin x sin y. Now you cancel this two. Okay. Now you can divide by minus 2 also. If you divide by minus 2, you will get cos x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this formula we have proved here, cos a plus b, या cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. ठीक है? You have to remember, you have to show this proof on your notebook. ठीक है? Remember it. You have to submit your notebook on Saturday. ठीक है? Just try to complete your notebook. ठीक है? This is the method of proving this formula. This formula will give you lot of formulas. What we have done, equal angles make equal arc on the circle. Yeah, equal arc make the equal angle of the circle. Equal arc make the equal chord of the circle. Equal angles make the equal chord of the circle. These are the theorem you have done in 9th class. So we have used one of them. ठीक है? यहाँ ये जो फॉर्मूला हमने ड्राइव किया है, इससे देखिए so many formulas we can form. Now I am rubbing the remaining part except this formula. देखिए this is the formula cos x plus y, cos x cos y. How we have to remember? You just show that first we have the both terms with cos. and second term with sin. ठीक है. If you take cos, if you want to find the formula of cos x minus y, so you have to put in place of y minus y. If you put in place of y minus y, you will get the formula cos x cos minus y, ठीक है, minus sin x sin minus y. We have just put the value of y equal to minus y. So what will be the formula? The formula becomes cos x cos y, क्योंकि cos minus theta equal to cos theta, and this becomes sin x sin y. So you have to remember this formula. ठीक है. If we want to find out the value of, we know that sin, if we put cos equal to in place of x pi by 2 minus x, ठीक है, minus y, x की जगह we are replacing with pi by 2 minus x, so we will get cos pi by 2 minus x. We are using this formula cos x minus y. ठीक है. So we are putting the value cos pi by 2 minus x in place of x. So cos y will be as it is plus sin x sin y. We can write here cos pi by 2 minus, we can take common x plus y, then it becomes cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. So sin x cos y, or sorry, in place of x we have to put here also, because we have put it in place of x pi by 2 minus x, you have to put here also sin pi by 2 minus x sin y. Sin 90 minus theta will be cos theta cos x sin y. This is sin cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. यानी कि this formula becomes of sin x plus y. We have proved the formula of sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. ठीक है. Similarly, we can find the value of sin x minus y by putting in place of y minus y. So what will happen? ठीक है. Directly I am written here sin x cos minus theta will be cos theta and minus cos x sin y. Minus क्यों हो गया? Because sin minus theta will be minus sin theta. So we get the four formulas. कौन से four formulas? Number 1, this one, number 2, number 3 और number 4. ठीक है. These formula name I am giving, that is XY formula. ठीक है. You have to remember as XY formula. ठीक है. Whenever I will ask you, just tell me XY formula. So you have to tell me these formula. These four formulas, sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. यानी कि whenever we have sin, तो we get the sin and cos simultaneously, है ना? But wherever we get the formula of cos, so we get the cos one side and sin one side. ठीक है. Using the plus or minus sign between them. So these formula you have to memorize. ठीक है. After memorizing, we can make some more formulas which will help you देखिए सपोज इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ, देखिए यू एक्चुअली जस्ट आई एम रिमूविंग दिस वन. देखिए इन यू 10th क्लास, in 10th class you did in first quadrant sin 90 minus x, 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, है ना. If you take the formula here x, so you can x here, or either I am can using theta here, because the different name we will use, so this will be easy to memorize. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. और cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. ठीक है, just you are observing that sin and cos interchanges, these are called the co-function. ठीक है, similarly tan 90 minus theta and cot minus theta, they also interchange. Tan interchange into cot and cot interchange into tan. ठीक है, these you have studied in 10th class. Similarly sec 90 minus theta is equal to cos sec theta. Cos sec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. So in this way we get the 6 trigonometric ratio, ठीक है, in 90 minus form, ठीक है, 90 minus theta form. So you are observing in first quadrant all are positive. In first quadrant all positive. In second quadrant we have done yesterday. In second quadrant sin theta or cosec theta, these two were positive. In third quadrant tan theta and cosec theta, cot theta, these two were positive. In fourth quadrant cos theta and sec theta, these were positive. ठीक है, इस फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में पॉजिटिव है तो आंसर इज कमिंग इन पॉजिटिव फॉर्म. बट व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ 90 प्लस थीटा? ठीक है, हाउ वी विल गेट? just I am converting one, remaining 5 function you have to convert, ठीक है, by yourself. How will you have to do? देखिए tan 90 minus theta है, so tan is the ratio of sin and cos. So by dividing and sin or cos you can find the value of tan. ठीक है, just see here how I am going to do sin pi by 2 plus theta. देखिए pi by 2 plus theta, so just I am telling you sin 90 plus theta, you can use the formula of xy formula, just we have proved just now. In place of x just take pi by 2, in place of y you just take theta. So sin 90 plus theta, so you can use the formula sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin 90 equal to 1, then it is equal to, देखिए y की जगह यहाँ पर cos theta है, सॉरी थीटा ले लीजिए, because we are taking here theta. Sin 90 equal to 1, then it is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 0, so to cos 90 0, If we multiply by 0, so we will get cos theta. So we get the formula sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. ठीक है? If you convert in the same way, you will get cos pi by 2 plus theta equal to minus sin theta, because cos is negative, the value will come, okay, by itself. By using the formula of cos x plus y, you will get the value minus sin theta. If you want to find out the value of tan 90 plus theta, so 90 plus theta, you can find the value by using sin theta upon cos theta. Sin pi by 2 plus theta divided by cos pi by 2 plus theta. ठीक है? तो sin 90 plus theta equal to cos theta, and cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta, which is equal to minus cos theta. ठीक है? तो same way you have to convert, you have to write the all trigonometric ratios. 3 I have written here, so 3 you have to write yourself. ठीक है? तो there are so many possibility you can convert to, you have to convert as I have converted. You have to convert 180 minus theta also, 180 plus theta also, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 1 to 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. ठीक है? You have to convert by using these formulas, sin and cos sin xy formula. ठीक है? Just I am just more explaining you 180 case also. In case of 180, suppose if you take sin 180 minus theta, 180 या pi minus theta, as we have written yesterday, ठीक है? Now you have to use the formula of sin x minus y. तो sin, ठीक है, 180 लिख लो चाहे pi लिख लो, है ना? Earlier we have written in term of pi, so you can write pi by 2 also. Pi by 2 minus theta. So sin pi by sin pi minus theta equal to sin pi cos theta minus cos pi sin theta. ठीक है? sin pi, the value of sin pi, just yesterday we have made the circle, है ना? You have remembered that we have made the circle, we put the coordinate. I told you this is angle 0, the coordinate of this angle is 1 0, coordinate of this point is 0 1, coordinate of this point is minus 1 comma 0, coordinate of this point is equal to 0 comma minus 1. And generally whenever we take the point, this is formed in cos x sin 1. यानी कि the first coordinate will tell you the position value of cos function. देखिए sin pi will be 0, है ना? So you have to put sin pi in place of sin pi 0. If you multiply by 0, it becomes 0. And cos pi is equal to minus 1. So minus minus it will become plus 1. So it is plus sin theta. So we get the formula of sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Similarly, if you use this formula in the same way, you will get the cos pi minus theta equal to minus sin theta. And similarly, you have to convert tan pi minus theta equal to sin pi minus theta, which is equal to sin theta. ठीक है? और सॉरी cos theta, नीचे वाला कितना हो गया cos theta minus के, it is equal to minus tan theta. So you are observing that in case of pi, we are getting the same angle. यानी कि साइन 180 माइनस थीटा इक्वल टू साइन थीटा, cos 180 minus theta is equal to cos theta, but minus में आ रहा है, minus it is coming to according to the quadrant. In second quadrant, now we are in second quadrant, 180 minus, यानी कि it is less than 180. In second quadrant, the value of the second quadrant cos will be negative, sin is positive. So we are getting the same function, but in case of 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, they were they were converted into co-function. Sin was converted into cos, and cos was converted into sin. So we have converted. Similarly, we can get the value of sin pi plus theta. Remaining three you have to do yourself. ठीक है? Sin pi plus theta, if you use the formula of sin pi plus theta, so you can use in this way, है ना? Sin pi cos theta plus cos pi sin theta. ठीक है, sin pi is equal to 0, the value of this function is 0, it is coming sin theta. ठीक है, value of cos pi is equal to -1, so it is coming minus sin theta. ठीक है, because it is now it is, if we take the pi plus theta, then it becomes in third quadrant. Third quadrant, these two are positive, remaining are negative. So you have to remember in this way. So pi plus theta, so remaining जो all function है 5 trigonometric function, you have to write the formulas by using this technique. Similarly, now I am converting sin pi के बाद this angle, यानी कि 270 को we can write 3 pi by 2 minus theta. If we use the formula of sin x is sin 3 pi by 2, ठीक है, 3 sin 3 pi by 2 cos theta minus cos 3 pi by 2 sin theta. Just see here, sin 3 pi by 2, यानी कि sin 270 की value will be -1. Value -1, so it becomes minus cos theta. Or cos 3 pi by 2 equal to 0, then it becomes 0. So it means sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. ठीक है, same way, if you convert cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta, you will get what? Minus sin theta. If you convert tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta, you will get cot theta. How? Because tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So value of sin theta is equal to minus cos theta divided by minus sin theta. The minus minus will cancel. You will get cos theta upon sin theta, that is cos theta. It means 3 pi by 2 minus theta means we are in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is positive. That's why the value is coming positive. It means, but it is converted into co-function. ठीक है, it is converted into co-function. It means wherever we have the odd multiple of pi by 2, it converts into co-function. Or wherever we get the even multiple, these were the even multiples, 0 I am taking, or pi I am taking, or 360 if I take, then the value is coming the same function. But sign is depend on the quadrant. You have to remember in which quadrant which function will be positive, and you have to remember which it is a odd multiple or even multiple. In odd multiple, we are getting the co-function, but it is even function, we are getting the same function. In ठीक है, just I am taking the 360 minus theta also, yeah, 270 to 370. Just I am just removing this line. just plus theta, यानी कि 3 pi by 2 plus theta, ठीक है, 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Now if you expand, you will take sin 3 pi by 2 cos theta plus cos 3 pi by 2 sin theta. The value of cos 3 pi by 2 will be 0. है ना? A value of sin 3 pi by 2 will be -1. So you are getting minus cos theta. Why it is coming minus? Because it is now in fourth quadrant. If you take in fourth quadrant, the sine function will be negative in fourth quadrant. Cos or sec will be positive. If you take the value of cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta, then you will get the value of this function will be sin theta. But this is odd multiple, that's why it is converting into cofunction. Similarly, you can convert the value of sine 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta, if you use the formula of sine 2 pi cos theta, ठीक है, minus cos 2 pi sin theta. The value of sin 2 pi, यानी कि this one is 0 और cos 2 pi is equal to 1. So you can put the value 1 here. So sin 2 pi is 0. It is coming 0 minus sin theta. Yani कि if we take sin 2 pi minus theta in fourth quadrant, it is coming negative. No? But if you take the value of cos 2 pi minus theta, you will get the value, ठीक है, cos theta. The remaining trigonometric function, I have told you so many functions, you have to write all the formulas in your notebook. This is your homework. Okay. Still there are so many formulas are remaining, so you have to complete them and memorize also. Okay. Now I am leaving this formulas as here. The remaining